good morning, gents. Right. Gentlemen, I'm not going to be long. I have to be straightforward and that's frank. You've seen what the media is saying, and everybody that's true. The team is sold. You know that we had problems, and I was foreseeing other problems this season also. So the team is sold, guys. I can't do otherwise. It's 4 years that I've run the team out of my pocket, and you know the challenges. You also have not made it easier for me. So as per Premier League status and stuff like that, we've sold the team over to Royal AM. It's in Durban, Mamkize. The PSL approved the deal Friday night around about 8 o'clock at night. That's why we couldn't do anything. I would have called you earlier, but that time you were on weekend off. We only received the papers at past 8, the approval of the PSL. We couldn't announce anything until the PSL approves. So guys, each and every one of you, each and every player whose salary, who's got contract with the team, the contract has gone over to Royal AM as per the PSL rule. Because when you sell a team, the contract of the players must be protected. It's up to you on arrival at Royal AM if you want to tell them that you want out. But everything is with Royal AM, the salaries and everything. People will be paid as per all the salary contract signed. Everything is there with them. So I will request you today, as per agreement, because there's a game on Sunday. That's why I have a meeting, the chairman knows we've got a meeting here of Royal AM, that the players must leave today. We'll give a contract. I don't know, they said they'll send somebody. Mr. Makobogan. Hi, Makobogan. Is he not here? All right. They said they'll send somebody that will take you to the townhouses that side and the place, and then the chairman, the chair lady that side will meet with you. All the contracts that you've signed, it's over with them. It's as per the way you sign them. So that's it. Each and Mamela, no trialist, nobody without a contract must leave. It's only people who are contracted. Only people who've got contract with the team, running contracts. That's what we presented to the PSL. That's what Royal AM is having. Don't live here if you don't have a contract. Again, there's no trialist again. So that's the long and short machine. I can't take it no more. It's too much. It's not even gonna. It has affected my personal life. It has affected my family and my children's life. I can't. It's too much, anyway. So the team is sold, and therefore let's arrange for you to leave. I don't know what mode of transport are we gonna use. Those with cars will have to put the money at the garage so that people must fill in their cars. And then those without cars will arrange transportation of the bus so that you must be taken there. They are asking you to arrive more or less itself, because we told them we've got a meeting this time. Until 6 o'clock they'll be waiting for you so that the chair lady must meet you that side. That's all I can do, guys. From now, seated here after announcing this, you know more my players. It's up to you if on arrival but you must arrive, gents. On arrival at Royal AM, if you want to pull out, you know that Royal AM is a team, they've got players again. You remember that, but the PSL said that first preference, not Royal AM preference, the first preference is Celtic players, you. It's up to you to say, I want out, then he'll put his players in. She will put his players.